Welcome to Rockwell Consult's marketing video on PLM and its need in industry. What is a product? Traditionally, a product is any good that is created from smaller components or raw materials. However, a product's true definition is much more than that. Any asset that has definition and structure could be considered a product. The product process or the method by which the product is created is also part of that product's definition. This includes conventional products like a plane or soda, or industrial plants or facilities, projects, software, and even service-oriented products such as a methodology or strategy. What is PLM? PLM is a business strategy that creates a collaborative, driven product innovation perspective that involves people, processes, assets, information, and technology. PLM touches all the business areas by creating decisive, informative processes to manage the product lifecycle from the product's concept through to full production and on to retirement. It brings a wealth of knowledge to the business's value chain by managing those data and processes to build and manufacture that product and providing that information to most departments. From planning to product engineering, manufacturing engineering, to production and on to sales and marketing, PLM will provide the much needed information to all. How do you benefit? PLM strives to provide quicker product launches to market, which equate to cost reduction, premium pricing, larger market share, reduced product maintenance, and ultimately increased profitability. You can benefit from PLM by evaluating your products and processes, investigate making more informed decisions, and eventually growing your business in ways unforeseen. What can we do? Rockwell Consults would like to assist you in achieving those goals and objectives. We can take you through the implementation process from requirements gathering to full production. Let us work with you to determine the best solution to your product design processes and manufacturing ills. Make innovation mainstream for you.